So it's just
I mean,
not
I don't want to
possible.
drop my shitty imitations that like we laugh at just because there's inside jokes that go with those.
Yeah. And man, I don't want. Look, I'm 46 years old. I'm not starting over now. Okay.
No.
Sorry. And if you think for 1 minute that Howard Stern or even Opie and Anthony, when they moved,
Opie. I love how you're doing it like, yeah, I mean, when you know the Opie and Anthony.
I always make that mistake. Like, but when they moved over, they didn't drop all their inside stuff.
No.
You know?
I mean, there's a few things that we don't have that I think other shows have that it would be nice to have.
Like,
we don't have
like
guests. Well, yeah, we don't have funny. There is that. We don't have talent. We don't really. We don't. No, we don't have that either. You know, we don't have any groupies either.
No, I don't want them.
I want female groupies. Damn it.
Fuck that. Just disease.
Well, that's my plan. See, that's my plan.
They're just disease-ridden whores. I mean, Liam, come on. Do you really want some chick riding your dick and then knowing that she may have ridden my dick the night before? You know?
I feel like we'd pick up completely different groupies, though. I don't know. Just something I'm thinking. I don't
know.
We're kind of two different people, so
yeah,
I think
you might be right. I seem to find the ones that have like alternate personalities.
Yeah, that's true. Well, it's like an orgy, but with one person. What's wrong with that?
Well, yeah, I mean, that would be nice if, the personalities rotated during sex.
Unless one of them has a personality that's like a 3-year-old.
Or gay.
Then they can come over and hang out with us.
Right.
Can you keep that personality out? Oh.
Understand. Where did that even come? I don't even know where that came from anymore. I think I still have that
came
file
from
somewhere. Oh, when we were hanging out in Chicago, when I was in
right,
Chicago.
Well, and we were playing off of O&A, but making fun of the fucked up, all the
we were doing the Pandora
DJs.
we were doing the oldie station on Pandora.
And of course, it went to its unnatural conclusion.
Right, yeah, it started out as just reproducing the bit where we're making fun of the oldies DJs, but then the jokes just got
and then the DJ. Eventually became pedophiles.
Yeah.
Pedophiles. I don't know if that's a term, but
we totally fucking ripped off Opie and Anthony because they.
Emergency alert. National Weather Service. Tornado warning in this area until 400 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Take shelter now in a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. If you are outdoors in a mobile home or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Check media.
They even did some of the same jokes.
Probably.
You can still find that segment on YouTube.
Well, I loved O&A in the day. I mean, and that's
absolutely.
You could tell that both me and Damon listened to that religiously.
We were influenced by old school O&A.
And what's hilarious is we listened to it before we even talked to each other.
That's true.
Like, I mean, I don't think that came up for a while, really.
No, I don't think so.
But I mean, we both have the same interest in radio, and we both have the same ideas, and I think that's why the pairing is really well. And I mean,
yes,
people will say that to me a lot. Like, you guys have a really good chemistry. You guys read off of each other really well. Well, we think the same way,
right?
And we have the same influences.
That's really scary that we do that.
Hey, it makes for good radio, though.
Well, no, it's not.
Look, this could be the look, Damon. This. What a fucking hot mess that was.
I don't know. I liked it when you hit beat coal and stuff.
Look, I'm just gonna say now I can like talk about it.
All right, go ahead.
I'm gonna say that I hated doing that show.
Really?
Because I felt like.
I'm surprised you did it as long as you did that.
I felt like I was essentially trying to make people that weren't funny.
And aren't you still doing that?
Yeah, that's true.
Ah, fuck you, you dickhole.
You just said it. Don't get
You
bitchy
have
at
to
me.
agree.
Oh.
I said
Well.
that for you know, that's that self-deprecating humor. That's
Oh.
that self-defecating humor.
Oh, yeah. I've got lots of self-defecating humor. I might do that in the ring when I knock out Roy Orbison or whatever his name is.
I'm gonna drop my boxing trunks and take a poop on him.
Yeah, Roy Orbison, Pretty Woman.
Wow. That's a storm
Anything
front.
you want, you got it. I might drop some trampling dingleberries on his face.
Is this Dick Tyson?
Yeah. It's great to be here.
Red light camera reported ahead.
That's Roy Johnson. Was it Johnson?
Yeah.
No. Oh,
Yeah, Roy Johnson Jr.
okay. I got hung up on Avengers Infinity War was on. But it was like one of those things where they like fucking commercials. And
Right.
like in the middle of adult commercials is a fucking cartoonish leprechaun for Lucky Charms.
Fucking dirty leprechaun, that'd be fucking great.
That is pretty fucking
The
sad.
fucking take the 15th tag. Fucking, it's really just
Fucking shoving. Pours vodka into Lucky Charms.
fucking milk. This is the milk and fucking music. These fucking marshmallows. Fucking diabetes. Fucking Lucky Brimley.
Not even real marshmallow.
I don't know fucking they're just sugar. Lucky Charms or hearts and clovers and balloons. Where are the other fucking ones?
Hearts and stars.
Stars, clovers and balloons,
There was
rainbows
horseshoes for a
and
while.
homosexuals. Some other shit.
Okay, well, Lucky Charms is that mail for this fucking
Right. How's it going? I always felt bad for the tricks when I would know that people treated me like shit.
Don't keep that on me. Tricks are for kids. Fuck you. One day it's like, tricks are for kids, huh? It's like does the Yosemite Sam and pulls out the fucking gun and blows the kids away. Now I got my tricks.
Oh shit. I can see it coming. And here it is.
Right, you said that. Down to bedrock.
Bottom, you hit okay, this is fucked up. But yeah, anyway, sure.